Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix scissors that stick. These will be easy steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you have scissors that are sticky, like these ones can be opened and closed easily, but if your scissors are tough to open and close, there are a couple of things that you can do, okay? So first and foremost, this is probably the last resort, but I'm gonna say it first because it's probably the one that you wanna know about first, even though you're gonna try it last. Your scissors might have a screw on them, okay? Now this screw determines essentially how tight the scissors are and it keeps them together. Now the thing is, if you loosen the screw, you do run the risk of the scissors falling apart. So what I suggest is, if you've tried the other method that I'm going to outline and it still doesn't work, then you try loosening the screw just a touch, like a 1/16 of a turn, like the tiniest amount possible, okay? Try that out. But basically, before you do that, the first thing that you want to try, because it's more in depth, I figured I'd get the quick one out of the way. This one's a little bit more in depth. Most of the time, scissors are sticky because there's stuff caught in them, whether it be glue, whether it be gunk, dirt, debris, paper shavings, anything, okay? I have 4 kids, so the scissors in my house, because they use them all the time with crafts. Now, the younger 2 kids are only 17 months, the twins, but my older 2 are 5.5 and 4, just turned 4. So they use these scissors, obviously safety scissors, but they use them all the time, and they're essentially, getting stuff caught in them all the time in terms of, like, there's all sorts of paper, glue, adhesive, all sorts of stuff caught in the scissors. So the scissors in my house are sticky, guaranteed all the time. And what I learned, I was buying new scissors all the time, and I learned you could fix it by simply washing them with dish soap. So dish soap is going to get rid of 99%, I mean, a lot, I don't know about 99%, but almost all of the stuff that would be caught in between the scissors. So get dish soap, okay? Get a little cloth and carefully, because you're dealing with scissors, just as you would wash your plates or your knives, let's say, you're going to wash the scissors and dry them, because you don't want to let the water sit in there because then they might rust. So wash them with dish soap and a cloth carefully, and then dry them. And almost all the time, that will get rid of the sticking scissors problem. On occasion, you will have to loosen the screw, but I'm telling you, I have never had to loosen this screw or any of the screws on the pairs of scissors that we have. Washing them has worked every single time. Do I have to wash them often? Of course, I got to wash them, once every couple weeks for sure, all the pairs of scissors, but it works wonders. Wash the scissors carefully with dish soap and water and dry them just as you would do with a regular cutting knife, like a regular steak knife kind of thing. And if that doesn't work, you can loosen the screw just a bit, but you probably won't have to. That's it. That's how to fix scissors that stick. Easy steps in a very simple tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.